Hello, my name is Chien, and welcome back to the MySQL Server Learning course. And today I will guide you how to import and export database into a script. Okay, so actually when you're working in a project, so when you finish the development for some phases or for the whole project, so you have to deliver the shortcode to the customer and also have to deliver the database to the customer. So in this deliver all of the database files, so you are able to generate the MySQL server into a script which will contain the script to create a table database structure and also the script to create the content for the database. Okay, so now in this tutorial I will show you how to do it. Okay, so let's get started, and I will open the phpMyAdmin to guide you, and I will also create another video by using the navigate tool to do the same thing. Okay, so you access into the phpMyAdmin localhost here. So you refresh this one, and okay, you see here we have learn MySQL Server DB here, and now I will go ahead to generate it into the script. You double click on this one, and on the menu, top menu, we have feature export. You right click on it, you go ahead to click on it, yes, and select let it by default, and you select format export is SQL Server. Go. Yeah. After that, then the database script will be downloaded into the PC. You open this, click here. We can view it. Okay, so we open this one. Okay, you see here we have the script generated by phpMyAdmin.net, and yeah. So you can see here there the script to create a table and the query to insert the data into the table, and we don't have the script to create the database. So that means for now when you deliver this script to the college or for the customer, so they have to create the database into the PC first. Okay, so now we have just finished the export feature for exporting the database and the content into the file. So now I will go ahead to show you how to import that script into database into a phpMyAdmin server database to create a database. Okay, so now I go ahead to create a new database name. I will create it in cm tab MySQL. Click on the create button to create a database. Here you can see on the top we have a new database has been created, and now double click on this one to access into the database. You can see here we have the feature on the top import. Click on it. You see on the top we have the file to import. You go ahead to select, click on the choose file button to open the file you want to be imported into the database. The maximum file is 200 megabyte. You click on choose file here, select, go to the path of the SQL Server file. So select that and open. And after that, you go ahead to click on go button here to execute the query from the SQL Server file. Go. Yes. After that, when you see this screen, that means you have to import. You have to finish the step to create a table and also insert the data into that table. Yes, you can go from the top to bottom here. We have some script to it will set imports have been successfully finished, blah blah. This one is the script to create table. Next one we have insert SQL Server. Yes, and now go ahead to click on this one, and you see we have category and product table here. So let's open the first table, the first database learn MySQL Server DB, where we use to generate the script and see what they have. It also have two two table. It is category and product table. You click on this to see it is learn my pro. Here we have some data here. Yes, pro. Product. Okay. And now you want to delete this database, you come to the localhost on the top here, click on database. And you want to delete this database, you go ahead to select on this in the checkbox and click on the drop. Okay. After you hit on the OK button, it will automatically delete your database, and the UI will be reflected. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for today. So after you finish this video, you know how to export the database and also the data from the table into a script and deliver it to the colleagues or the customer. It will, when you export the data and the file into the script, so it will smaller than you deliver the database directly to the customer or colleagues. Okay, and you you can go to my learning programming language channel to see where we have multiple a lot we have a lot of MySQL Server learning video here, and I also have the a lot of video regarding to learn programming language. Yeah, so I hope you can find any video helpful for you here, and you can access to my channel in youtube.com/c/cnbs for more detail. Okay, so hope that help, and feel free to let me know if you have any question regarding to this video. Bye bye and see you later.